One last question before we wrap for today. Part 18. Simplify. We are still doing simplify. 1 by 1 plus x to the power of b minus a plus x to the power of c minus a plus 1 by 1 plus x to the power of a minus b plus x to the power of c minus b plus 1 by 1 plus x to the power of b minus c plus x to the power of a minus c. Now if you look at this question, we have a lot of powers, but they are written in the denominator. So let us work it out. First of all, this one. 1 as it is, x to the power of b. Power is subtracted. I will write x to the power of a in the denominator. X to the power of c. I will write x to the power of a in the denominator. Plus 1 by 1 plus x to the power of a by x to the power of b plus 1 plus x to the power of c by x to the power of b plus 1 by x to the power of b by x to the power of c plus x to the power of a by x to the power of c. Now we have removed these negative powers from here and taken it to the denominator. Next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a common denominator for this part. So I can see x to the power of a is in this and this. So I'm taking x to the power of a as the common denominator. Then this one is 1 by 1. I want to write x by a here. So x to the power of a. This whole thing becomes x to the power of a, x to the power of b, x to the power of c plus, watch this, we are going to do a similar thing here. Common denominator, we'll take x to the power of b. This becomes x to the power of b, x to the power of a, x to the power of c. This will now, we will take common denominator x to the power of c, x to the power of c, x to the power of b, x to the power of a. Now if you watch, this is the same throughout. So the next step, I'll show you x to the power of a. This one comes to the numerator, x to the power of a by x to the power of a, x to the power of b, x to the power of c plus x to the power of b, this comes on top, by x to the power of a, x to the power of b, x to the power of c plus x to the power of c from here will come to the numerator, x to the power of a plus x to the power of b plus x to the power of c. I have run short of place here, but you can see the denominator is common in all. And I am continuing to do it here. So the common denominator is x to the power of a, x to the power of b, x to the power of c. Common denominator from all three. And the numerator will be simply added. And we see that both are same, so the final answer is 1. This is my first recording for your class 9, and I think I have done this chapter, exercise 6, quite thoroughly with you today. If you are still having any difficulty, I hope to catch up with your difficulties in the online class. I hope you are attending your online classes regularly. I have made a list of students for 9B and 9D where I will be teaching online classes, and I have made a WhatsApp group also for you. So that if you have any difficulties, I'm talking to the students especially of classes 9B and 9D, so that if they have any difficulties, they can ask me by posting their question in that WhatsApp group, and I'll help you. Today's class is over. We will stop now. And I believe Mr. Saurabh Dan has taught you already 4 chapters before this in all the classes that he has recorded and that was put on the website. Those were chapters 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the next chapter after that. I hope it was useful. Any doubts, please clear in the online classes or for 9B and 9D in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.